Welcome to my video. Today we will discuss about subsetting of lists. Python uses index to subset the list. The index may be positive or negative, depending upon your choice. Let's create a list, name it fruits. Here I write different types of fruits. For example, we have a list comprise of 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now we can access it by its respective index, which refer to a particular element in list as shown here. Index 0 refers to address of 10, index 1 refers to 20 and so on. Index 4 refers to 50. Similarly, index -1 refers to 50, -2 refers to 40 and so on. Let us apply the subsetting technique on fruit list. Here I will use both positive and negative indexes technique. So what code we will write to select mangoes from fruits list? First I will write the list name, that is fruits, then square brackets. Now write the index which refers to mangoes. Now it's your turn. How to access strawberry from the fruits list? By using both positive and negative indexing technique. Write your answer in comment box. Selecting single values from a list is just one part of the story. It's also possible to slice your list, which means selecting multiple elements from your list. Use the syntax as shown here. The start index will be included, while the end index is not. Now let us apply the slicing technique on our list we already created, named fruits. For first 3 elements of the list we write code as slicing from 0 to 3. Similarly for selecting only mangoes from list. Similarly we can use negative index, slicing from -4 to -1. Here we can see that the index which refers to the element at -1 is excluded. So strawberry is excluded in this case. Here we have a list containing 3 sublists. Now how to access elements in this list? In order to access element D in my list, first we have to write the name of list, that is my list, followed by double square brackets. Here we will use row index and column index. It will specify the exact location of element. Here D corresponds to row index 1 and column index 0. Now if we write code in Python we will get the result as shown here. Now in order to select more than one element from the lists of list, we can do like this. The second double brackets locate the elements of inside list of my list for specific row index. Now what does it mean? It means that at row index 0 select all the elements of list for column index, at 0 row index. Similarly you can select only first 2 elements from the first list, that is A, B, C. We will get the result A, B. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you get enough information about subsetting of lists. Wait for upcoming videos, you will get more information about Python basics. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thanks.